힙한리뷰.
Black earworm is #1 for the moon balance.
힙하다.
힙한리뷰.
Nothing becomes something, makes one thing nothing. It becomes something else, something else. Nothing becomes something, makes one thing nothing. It becomes something else, something else. Further control, tap twice, make pause and play. Adjust volume just to do this, go back and forth. Don't do this too much, your ear's gonna blow. It's customizable, but I'm able to do 3 things. Man, that sucks. I'll tell you 3 things about this, you hear? One thing is about the bass, it already has bass, so you won't have to adjust. I like to have deep bass, so you won't have to adjust. It has 3 modes, just go for balance. If you like the bass more, just go change the mode for sure. The voice mode is just voice, high voice with no bass. The voice mode is just voice, high voice with no bass. For me, getting low gets too low.
Getting low gets too deep.
Getting low gets too deep. Later on, when the time passes, your ear hurts, yo. Alright, second, the design is neat and precise. It's transparent, oh, nude I like. Open and you see green light. Makes great night with your phone. Ear 1 makes them bleed. All blue turns to red, and it's black. Third, noise cancelling. It cuts the noise like nobody does. It makes the word quiet like I'm in a hut. Some sounds going in, but nothing's going out. Some sounds going in, but nothing's going out. It's nothing, it's nothing, it's nothing, it's nothing. Nothing becomes something, makes one thing nothing. It becomes something else, something else. Nothing becomes something, makes one thing nothing. It becomes something else, something else.